Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omuguzi.
Mancho Morgede katabategere taseni kya Ndizi TV na rero iga tubatiriye bagari yabereye guchema semu kukinse mu cyanya ncho na rero iga dusanga mangari ngete egosori ya rugby ne oso dira sorongo rwa gusiko lende tari avange banye manyete kole to bate kitimu aige sorongo rwa gusi koso dia sense mo ya rugby kati abo bate club ya KCRFC tuwatora Kifaru RFC yotere skuli ya kisi skuli yakora buya sana nonye sense meri ya national sasa mangane chiskuru na egosori ya rugby kwenda sero iga tubatiri bagari ya bene leo twarege ikarona omonyakerogo bwa timu ya Kisii RFC Kisii Rugby Football Club ero tubwata aiga barateria mangarengete gosori ya rugby korede inyora kuno morgero semeri ya live semu ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital semu ya YouTube Ndizi TV News enyora kuna botambe nche ndemo Steve Nigo bemo nsani maite nachika kichingia kwa bate yite kwa kwende tomera ndire andake se faide mwacho morgeri na boko motebiri yetari yao nandake ko semu kieli okorwa
byo mono aselibaga ande korane monene bemona se ibageri atoire twanyorire singa kirende tokwanere igoro egosori ya rugby ya Kisii ncha samarie tankoro kweri kubosire ke no monto usiga ya seitere mosocho njende chairman ya Kisii RFC Kisii Rugby Football Club na bero mo chairman koru last year na liba so isaranso gete bakamu atari chikura na keretu ba mwete bakateba anda ba chairman on acting capacity mpaka chikura chiakiru elinde bono tumanye konyora bono munakero gubuya timaye period yose nje nene lakini bunando chena korire gasi baranchira ne bono mo chairman
nimetase kagetari getamira ko tweranda ke amange igoro yakiri nimetase kagetari getamira ko tweranda mangara gikeri roche gwa kore keri tarakora gwetire sesi bagari kwanyorire ora bacha bakumyanda ke egosori ya rugby kaimu kuziriteri RFC FCA Football Club kai korwera
RFC basically Community Rugby Football Club umaite rugby steering wa kweri noko kera kina kigendo bantu bago chabeba nande bunanche nje before end na nge chairman wa kanali na gakere club gekoroku Mwamba RFC ne timu ya Nairobi naona na gakere ali no to akire na abantu abana bange ba chesere national team ya bono in 2014 na chitegusi one kokorega asi lakini lende ena tagete ngakire Kisii RFC lakini okogani kwa timu ngakie igwa tagete coach ende nkabe coach bono RFC eli buna game the nature of the sport here football nero maite na kinago tabune coaching to arego coaching ngakigete ende on the sidelines mo efani yete kabori ikibona bakonya gukikeri umupiro ikimuntu atari kuvuatera umupiro uri aminyoke abende as go try lakini bono no football igotera because there is a lot of kicking ekoba involved ase game wali naki abantu bakwega maite abantu game wali no konya go konta na konya go swinta na ko korutana nse lakini kicking game nero the kicking aspect of the game nero na kibono football eli ho cherabo
okay
yes
nimetabu kwambia kile vya nasi wale wale kule ndake eleteri asi hoja bero kera Kisii Rugby Football Club bila binde vyo spingoro kabire RFC kwende kwa manyi ubura ndake kando na uko bwato mopira kwere liko minyoka kwere try owa kanoko na kororo no nyoko convert try ko tubeko koro ko ndake agosori ya rugby kama kana sereteri ya Football Club kono nimetera sanga mange buno sote system ya Kisii RFC na amonchori na kiliko arorase rugby ya gusia iga timu na toira nese mawe ya active football mundatara agosori bila bronye na mwamba gwa sote abange babo konyore baguchakire second liti manya second likio chiete bofero ne kwateri bagari okwendere rugby wacheze
nje kwanza story ya rugby yere fani nje tinga rugby kinde high school
okay
nje high school na gakire football basketball nande bono ade actually nakiga nkonyete ekero na soete college nkamanya gwaka bono ebintu ebyo kana asome tigo bono gwaka kuri mupira na gwaka basketball kuri ingwa nkonyete ase rugby nkala na very few things una kupasa mupira wetu mega, lakini in terms of winto buna agility ezina abwate moto once buna basketball kuna kubwata bwata mupira kuri nkoro na kubona gwa nkonyete kubona I just learned a few things and on the same issue itoro no mo kera abana wagocheza ndi nkora wish I wish na agete game in school, lakini then it was not too late for me go the system to bwate abana bagwake school nande tuma nande buna bagote babunere according to the Kenya Rugby Union bado ngochezwe mpaka up to primary level ibone minute development ya sport yeto ningia and then minute union hito yere Kenya Rugby Union goes ingatiere amangana development because batagete style iri nga kero montaro ure school naribona bago komanya at least bono ko bwati bare abantu to the grassroots bamanya development yo muntu ko primary secondary paka bono club level tenga lirikale buna in fact kero na ari gwaka umuntu aga komanya ekera ikire club kero wose club ko bori school kikwali waka school kikwali nge wata kero wata every position kyo waka so bago temba ko rambu yore wakire buya bona bako through now the development stages che club was also second team mwangora bako development paka was first team and through that through wakarende chi league ya Kenya yere Kenya Cup anto wate Eric Shali nande bono gocha chiabo nationwide chigacha nationwide ya chitego ukini sport because kare ndo abwate nationwide ndo abwate championship yere boninga ito abwate Kenya Cup yoka na Eric Shali na bono tournament is chia sevens chile national circuit chiko after every 15 season year twaso 7 aside buna bono iga to call 15 seasons bono to go to 7
bana ndake Mr. Bosi ambaro braga niko manyanda kinemete kwa ile buna ya ro secondary to serti wa fole baro braga niko manyanda ki essence inchira yao nkigia kore tanda ke nkwanya bosene se secondary anda ke secondary first secondary ki kwa renge na ne ile gusuri yetare ngororo ya boda china chiale ngororo go se ya gete buna ali kwa roche ngwale go chagweti modero
okay kali in modero na bona ali go chagweti aro ninde chua na bona ali go chagweti modero kurende school ina renge na ingenya ururo school
nyangururu
yeah
okay
rugby ya rengo
okay
in fact buna to asoete iga to igwete ya bete ban kama buna story ya renge oso mumurana aro agetu moibori agacha ka omane principle chine story so ariko we are not there so we cannot ascertain whether it's true or not eto ariko yutunga moibori agacha ka omane obisi rugby ka kani we school but as it is right now bunangi we school you want what rugby ya chete kairani
nimetanda ke ikogwara buna nemito ndo changira ndake no nyogusia iga tari skuru nyingi sana chibwata rugby cyo nyoke rengo bwa chiwa sodi che skuru ko nyara buna ense media zonal kwa ko tizo nyingi sana chibwata rugby no nya sub county ko yara skuru chike sana sub county chibwata rugby sokoro rugby nke ko tune kerengo kediki ya county bama ko kwa chirijero kama ko nyara buna rugby ya reka ndina skuru nyingi chibwata obwa uno yiwate ndene tangania bebo limbara bakobwa na as much as no one buna rugby is the safest sport lakini bara bakobwa buna very safe na bane bara like babuga buna ne wate discipline as chiskuru timanya mbose amikiora chi principle mono jorongo rwagusi wajerana rugby ebese chiskuru
actually rugby is a discipline sport because nego technical values togo on go say club with our coaches na liba to ra say sport here intiro to ko what it's a discipline sport. There are values discipline, humbleness, teamwork intiro lazima to nande china chumo togo taibwe karo waswere team because generally rugby is a discipline sport. In fact to ko igunga na no ligando hasta yore igunga monto rugby wa rugby Kenya obwatiru asenga
ngoro wanarenge
nkuru wanarenge to ko iguna nande no maita ndo rugby mbongo akabara masoesi ya strong but to ko igunga barwani yonde because of the discipline that is involved there that abantu abachezaji bako taken through baba you go to the principles to the parent manya rugby is a discipline sport yani the nature of it buna ya bete invented gocha na bari bani chagete na bani wegete boigo na batwanya nyawarete boigo na ande na bari entrete boigo nga tibu atimangana in discipline ngomwana ara asoe achake gukora ki asoe mangana drugs nini in fact nere gukonya umwana stay away from drugs because okonyora for example like right now umwana ore university ekera ruwe class maro nga yawe igago chegeti ominyoka ta kuinyora amangana drugs ta kuinyora tu
Mr. Eric lakini aba ubese cheskuru mama ngo rwagusi principal vote bintu bibere egetangani ekere expenses bate abuna expenses tira se osori ya rugby chire igoro mwana sense media uniform gutwara full kit ya rugby nedo yakberba kobwa egani tia mazoezi ya mange na ndatu are professional coach ira bakonye ko baigeri kiboikana mtimanya ibibere nki principals bara tubeketa kelikere locally available ko endelea gosori
the game itself it's a bit technical maite nande unatumanyete rugby tenga football igere ntonda tebe nimanyire sana nere manero mo osori manyire in fact oso no ene stadium woniga umupira nabo no nyino muntu tama I think kigenderete na bakoraya no mupira batete konyonse gori akini oso igeti kia rugby to utama iti to komanya
to badari ngole
kusingo komanya kigenderete na kiba konyonse kigoma tende na ringi egemo bitugete nkego muntu akobori akaraba abantu basangira akabori inki kiaba ande bo no aringa ugeti kumbe ne try ya bekiru bona timu eli anonse akini njebunande ambulance ane kamohereza ngora wora gato nabande bali gotaka barende ile ndutora taberende it's a bit technical ibintu byerende mbira bit expensive no mopiro ra do my tore very expensive tonga yo soka nonye
ngore
na bora woche zeranga chiri bunye go almost 5,000
okay
yeah igo bono ibintu birimbi expensive I think it's just the nature of the sport and buna banzirisi bari bategete nanda na technically ne sport nonye ne chiskuru as coaches as buna chairman ya gusingo advocate inde bana mbaso wali waka pataranyoro umuntu ko take through yeah like a coach who is trained you know umuntu maete ko take them through the safety how to tackle how to attack you know resilience go ne sport nonye Kenya Rugby Union is very keen on that but go takanga in school we just venture into it there and they on the watch out and most of the things as varu rivaga egime ya I think the mbamba bwate mbama ite kigenda teno chiskuru chionse
bosire watera bo machomo rere ndakyo yamekere buna Mr. Eric bosire omanya kero ga set ya KCRFC club ya chirale monogorega sorongo rwagusia mangana rengete rugby tebe kwanda somo timoko twende sema ya kabere kurene sema ya kabere ndo sanga manga rengeta rake mugano ya club kya mwamba na gosoa se KCRFC na mero bali kibabwate ko kin rugby sorongo rwagusia
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omuguzi.
Chomore kwa notaya tasani Ndizi TV nsema ya kabiro moroberi kwa chigosori na nchende bo Steven Captain 001 tote ya masema guru chinse mochi ya bosongo to sangama na rengete rugby na ere Mr. Eric Bosire munyakirogo KCRFC jorobra nabukubati nsema ya mitandao Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital YouTube Ndizi TV News kongera nchende mo Steven to ndo sangama ngarengete chigosori Facebook page ndemo Steven Captain 001 nimete sema ntagani to sanga igoro ya chiskuru na kelikega neiri ronde toira nese omugano na kioswete Mwamba FC RFC
Mwamba nje na rigane tuguno mosani oneto wakinete kama nje na kinete part of my life na kinete Nairobi umurana aro wakinete kama ere buna tore high school ari gwaka rugby school eri arende Meru school nchikinde Nyahururu nchena ari gwaka lakini igakagete ngwakana lakini baadaye agachakaria like tindi gwaka lakini agari ko igure na kingo ko west igano mubiro na ntari gwaka bono limo akangari gani nchendore buna bagwaka tournament getari Ngong Road KRC grounds kagenda ron karabura bagwaka nande bakagwega kombe ekero bagwega kombe nkarabai mukire kombe kiriste gite kintu gikangachere meane kaigu nintakere ko baga bono ri after game rene ko congratulate ngamotebi ntaite go join 90 team aba aro na maite kendi go rugby nchena ari ngo mondo football lakini team yarongo akanare lakini ndende bono that was on Sunday after tournament here on Monday on Tuesday ariwande to bora mazoezi kagende geti twari go trainer at Railways Club Nairobi yere squeeze ba sari squeeze ba bekire stage Nairobi na etarinde nkarara bo beta astwa wa ona ba kire to be stage train no kagenda
Yimi yake kwa sababu kwanera ne yimi yake yo kwanera
yeah inga around 2007
okay
yeah alafu kagenda gajende kayo mu murori akanyitoriza se team jenga bakenje ndemare wone ntegaje ni betari kolano bakankaribisha ro ya sana ande wakana style bando che na baroche good
na bata tamara chota kwa
karibu so they was taken through the developmental stages about the coaches took me through the training ziende bakare position takere ko ngaka bakan train biyata pisa ekero na rengere digwaka ngachaka ko ego game ngora second team ngora and I think Inche was angry with the first team. When I talking that, and I think I was only 2 years in the team. Lakini nta kitenga kile first team. Bona limo nkabole coach. Na Inche ntari go soa.
Nginta fugati.
Nwa tuma tende chero mai tawa ndombo agweta coach no monto kobo.
Yeah.
Especially ngake ntima squeeze matawa. Ana wa squeeze wa na. Ona wa go chaga ko akotebi ndase. Ako kuboli this was the okay. Lakini of course na this tournament anything sababu tu hopo na tu
yeah.
No akaboli coach na kiyo kali ko mbeka ile team. I think coach ile tukeli yange in good mood. Akantevi kandigeliga kantevi wako ni ya tackling. That is one ile defense. Kumbe ni defense hiyo kana leto. Kwa ndani go. Ai training sessions itia gwateti nje kwanga na atagete defend nitakoria mura ko state ka ndo mbura ma ko konya ile bisete agende ngankonya ngaso first team gachaka gwaka ende Kenya Cup na akiri na ndo ma tona ngakiri na itu na tu arenge ndombi enge biende kaliko nyore da yara buye go ndo ko na masoezi ndo mtu agwate mochando lakini nje ngoto yago chinande rugby na ere nkonya to bono na kange na yo kore binte ebia at least ngonko ne arenge margo bana de tigo level na kire timu elia ne Mwamba is a play to Kenya Cup level and then need appreciate the team because everything I have won in terms of rugby I owe it to Mwamba Rugby Football Club.
Ndio tabenga kiyonda ke competition ya renge sengen chosa matukabo ndare chiti mubuna KCB chiti mubuna Kabras chikokora buya samana rengete rugby bunye mya kenji chiti chale kwa merani na kimota amendekwa na Mwamba FC na RFC hotel kwebwe sai sorry ya rugby Kenya. Mwamba RFC ngo katore team no KCB ntwa gaitire wono ne linje ingake ikonyora Kabras teracha ndoki inare wa Kabras mbwango yacha lakini timu na KCB ntwa alifonye bwana the last tournament na bwetene team Enterprise Cup twara bwirenche mostly tinga gete 7 aside mono na gete Kenya tinga gete 15 nero na ari waka mono 7 zina temete lakini kaga tinko na mono tiga focus my energy asinko na yo but rende nimbwate no about 7 zina no nyeke na check team yetu usi I coach them 7 zina yango kora yange igo bono asili swali kwa goli Mwamba mtu akaperform ili uya sana especially bono ote buna 7 aside I think Mwamba ingake team tay ali wote to alikuwa tournament John and bono team yetu to china ali produce the best players aba alikuwa na alikuwa national team yule Africa yange Collins Ndera Galabi na Sego ule so with Denison Batch name them no matter Marita you na anyato iligo we were good and totally happy up to now
even right now the success ilito bwata 87 kama te Kenya to better relegated but Challenger series for HSBC na nini 7 circuit area ya national series ile to better relegated but ni say second tier Challenger series bono wakachange the new management here led by our chairman Sasa Mutai wakachange technical bench yose ya Kenya 7 bono technical bench ili to bwata bonega abantu batatu ujure team manager coach na assistant coach wale abantu ba Mwamba because right now as we speak as umuntu Mwamba etore proud sana ni team yetu ya Mwamba because nero ya gari bona ande Kenya 7 geto yairanire se wono HSBC series the World Series
Mr. Bosiri Metebiro vya chire korende ebimero bingi sana kwa gosoreti ko reactive player we team ya Mwamba RFC ndase bilivyo si kwa gosoreti manake likeria kemo utebe kwa gosoreti na utebe kimya ne kwa kemo
okay
gine no utebe se bilivyo si kwa gosoreti na active player ase Mwamba RFC
hiyo ndio tebe
game utebe se chiri chance kwa gosoreti
chige mneti nyingi tu na kile na Mwamba lakini nero tebe tu alikuwa kana Impala nande ngake bona ariko nyora chichi ko ariko ngachi chance cyane cyo chaka among the first 15 obo boronje bo ariko ngoche lakini karona na ikirese venue ga kora my teammates wono omoyo no ko yomuka because simediri niko nyora ndenge mpaka koro go nyare kwa kalera usetingola kine karona na ariko kora teammates bane nago kabange moral ye muito gaka Pone timu hii pala kaka bakachaka bago tumenyo kitoko different yani bono ngakumi ntundi toko chaka gwata wakatobeka chitra cha bwango imeane somo yone kuna kuiburi lero ndero wande nari ngakiye coach bona na ariko nyora ko stade bageze kina kigonya mwana na ariko bolo zile kikonya kina kiyoka bona this is it now kada alafu I think it is good to have teammates. Rugby ne team sport. Na ndibono turo chibona my fellow teammates wagankonya. Teammates wanemba maite isto chako ba kere story baadaye. Una Impala ya tokoleta Impala RFC. Bona baadaye tukachaka kugain nande. Tukachaka kugain nande tukachaka ko ting yende kendo che na ukiari ngega tukachaka ko basco and then we won that game. Ndibono imeane that is my memorable moment. Yes, team, Nande, the team don't know about a team Mwamba. Because of that winning mentality, Nande as a team see now coach for almost 10 years for 2014, which I'm na vile chama that is what I brought
ndio sana ndo chante urasema karibu ne biro byakire sana kulenda ndake orongo rwagusi KFC akorera semo yaye kone kibona yabekiro boroso bwa rugby na kone kibona ne konyarikana korugusiga nande enyana ko bagakora bya torra bwango igaye timu ya Kenya Shujas bakora bya sekosori ya rugby 15s na bagafuta sekerengo kere bosio timenga kurengana naye ko experience wanyo kwa tore gusia igano bogosori ninki tora akore erindense ya Kenya toira ne borongese maputo bante ko basa mwana rugby ya sensengima
ase bono kwanza ntoka neti serikali ite ekone ite tiga bono bali na bako nya gwetenera eso nande nimbato mogoko our CS for sports sababu na Mwamba na teba bono ngokonya ale timu so and even the king I think lifted our spirits as a rugby fraternity kuibunga bone serikali ngocherego kokonya rugby nande mbarwa kabesa gete genda gutse a team and at least as a moral booster and I'm sure whenever muna toira nete as a HSBC World Series muna toira nete I'm sure the boys are going to perform through that motivated coordinated serikali and of course now the management of the team and then tukende na tena the management ya Kenya Rugby Union they should trust our coaches were local
nimetembaga nataka wakati weterase abawatani babo konde biro byakire sana na mararangite KCRFC ngurota studio live onye sanke bikaru na rugby ya kusia igani kweri bagarinde tuna sebono ingane aho yo mweri andake ase bali barigere tibikira bono
omwancho morigeria bemona stinga kichi nande njege ntonda ndatebe uno muchairman kisi ndobwate team yeto ya kisi sil bado ndobwate kifaru lakini bono Kifaru normally ego serve as the feeder team to KCRFC, but we work hand in hand. Unamaitera we are one family. Bona ile ntonda tebe buna chairman to atware a challenge monoko to hona our fixtures ko ganda game cheito. Buna in our latest muraba itomba akabuye sana. Buna the last 2 games muraba itomba wakagenda Nairobi weekend ya mo bakatravel Saturday morning wakaenda bagake team nande bakaira na gusi. Imagine ega uko na gusi, imagine yo mono so once nande Tuesday no bara maso Tuesday Wednesday nande Saturday morning go to Nairobi nande go to work. Come take game where demanding, both physically, mentally and all that. You wanna ntonda na yo mwancho morierio o tegerete singakiechi aki inyore team tonero onye koko nyara go to support go partner with us aki come on board. Toko nyaba muraba kagera we are out to nurture talents erinde to rusia muraba ase bintu buna drugs na mangana da ataria maya when they are involved in sports and the talent rote there are opportunities maite kero monto gago kaga na kucheza abe scouted na national team ose team nonyeko rusko because into bwata players bago akagari America murana da ariko coach mocho ndega one gari arense ngao I think it's in Romania no awa naro in the United States okuru Calvin Marube oyonde akoro ku Mokoro igo kiga oriu kwa waria abaisani bari sko the corporate world aki come on board kiga to support team yaitu elinde they also achieve their dreams
Mwana sana Eric Bosire andake se birovia wao kutwara chinsa na itu na ntoko yetera ndese studio bono osangi kwa semo ya studio ayo abere Eric Bosire munyakero go KCR Tebria Mangi arengete ego sorry ya rugby wate evolve details amore osanga semo ya mitandao Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital YouTube Ndizi TV News konkera inche ndemo Steven Captain 001 chinsa mo chiricha Facebook abuno to wikero muri wikire bosyo nkoratero mugeni mungao etimu ngao aiga Ndizi TV